girl? Who's a good girl? Bella's a good girl. Oh, hey, you're here. You scared me. You surprised me. This is Bella, my lab assistant. I'm going to put her down so that Miss Jill can give you your daily science fill. Hey, y'all. Today, I'm going to teach you a really big new word. It's called hypothesis. Did you ever hear that word before? Hypothesis. Now, guys, it's a science word, and it means to make your very, very, very best guess as to what you think will happen. And we're going to practice that over the next so many days. I'm going to show you an experiment, and then I'm going to give you a little bit of homework, and you have to make your own hypothesis. All right? I want you to take a look down here at the table. I have a red Solo cup, some straws that I got from the kitchen, a marker, some rubber bands, some scissors, and you can use the blunt scissors so you don't hurt yourself. Mom and Dad, help with this part. This is a rubber glove used to help when you're cleaning your house. And then I have a little roll of duct tape. We're going to make a silly face toy, okay? It'll be a lot of fun, and we're going to learn some science while we do it, okay? First thing I want you to do is to, with your parents' help, put a small hole in the cup down very close to the bottom. And I'm going to do it just like this, and I'm going to take my time because I don't want anyone to get hurt. You could probably do this with a knife, parents, or maybe even a hole punch if you have a long hole puncher. But I am putting a tiny hole. Now my hole is a little bigger than I wanted, but I'll show you how to fix that. And we're going to stick a straw in through that hole, that opening. Okay? And to seal it up, I'm just going to use some duct tape to put a seal around it. So I'm going to cut off a small piece of duct tape, and I'm going to create a seal around the straw. May not look the best, but there's a seal there so that air will stay in. Okay? Then we're going to take our cleaning glove, and I'm going to put a face on it because that makes it a lot more fun. So I'm going to give him 2 eyes, and I'm going to give him a smile and a little bitty nose. And I'll show you what I got. Okay? I'm going to slide this over the top of the cup. Now, to make sure that it doesn't come off, I'm going to put a rubber band on also. I'm going to slide it over the glove. Now, you could do this part before you do the straw if you wish. But I'm going to slide the rubber band on. Okay? And that gives us a little extra grip. Now, here's where we get to the hypothesis. I want you to guess, take your very best guess, what you think will happen to Mr. Silly Glove if I blow into the straw. What do you think will happen? Make your very best guess now. Did you make your best guess? I think that's a good one. I think it's going to do maybe fill up and blow up in the air, or maybe it's going to shrink. Let's see what it does. Okay, I'm going to blow through the straw. Uh-oh, what did Mr. Silly Glove do? What did Mr. Silly Glove? He raised up and filled up with air. You know, like when you blow up a balloon. I bet you guessed that, didn't you? From when you've blown up a balloon, or your mommy or daddy have. Okay? Now, we're going to use this information that we learned from Mr. Silly Glove, and we're going to give you a little homework assignment. Okay? Time for some homework. I went in my kitchen and I grabbed some baking soda, some vinegar, a funnel so I'm not quite so messy, a spoon, a soda bottle. I tore the wrapper off and I filled it half full of water, and another balloon. Okay? Here's your homework assignment. You're going to make a hypothesis. I'm going to put the balloon on top of this, but inside I'm going to add vinegar and I'm going to add baking soda. And you're going to guess what you think will happen. And you'll let me know tomorrow. Bye now.